Yeah, so this is an empty windmill train, it looks like, going here through the Pointe St.Charles yards on February 15th, 2021. You'll see the flat cars have a modification there, and those towers there are to hold the blades of those windmills. Yeah, so unfortunately it's not a really interesting train. It's just a bunch of flat cars with those modified towers. Hopefully something interesting. Oh, you can see in the background there locomotives waiting to possibly do some switching. So I'm hoping that'll happen. And in the meantime, this will make its way east. I believe there's a plant near Trois-Rivières or Grand-Mère that makes the blades, which is pretty cool because that means like Quebec is exporting these blades to all over North America, which is a good thing. Keeps our economy pretty strong. I like to see that Canada is, and in particular my province of Quebec, is keeping some manufacturing, and hopefully they'll be going towards increasing manufacturing. As we can see during the pandemic, maybe outsourcing all of our stuff is not a good idea, and it'll bring back some of the jobs that Canada has lost over the last 30 years. And these are good stepping stone jobs that people can use to better themselves, to go from having no job at all to maybe getting a university education without going into debt. So yeah, while this train goes by, I'd like to have everyone think about that. Here's Montreal in the background on a bit of a snowy day. Kind of cool. This is rather long. It's like it's two trains all in one. Anyway, there's the downtown Montreal skyline here at the Pointe St.Charles yard. Came here hoping to maybe see some switching, something interesting, hopefully a CN heritage unit maybe. Here you see in the background there's some box cars. There's a bulk terminal in there. A lot of the time there's hoppers or box cars in there. And that's the last car. There's some hoppers in the yard. And in the background, the REM is coming along fairly nicely. I think the last time I was here, it was maybe not that far along, just maybe pilings. Now it looks like they got some bridge girders up on there. And well, look at that, relics of a past. In the sidings here at the AMT, the former, well, it is the AMT EXO shops. All those old MR90 electric EMUs waiting to be sold or scrapped or whatever. Alright, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.